Disclaimer: the video you are watching is not the full course video. This is only a demonstration from our AWS training program. The purpose of this demo is to help you understand how our trainer teaches and to check whether the explanation style is clear and easy for you to follow. If you find the teaching helpful, you can continue learning with our complete course.
Hello and welcome back. Now our account is ready. We can perform any practical over here using free account. But if we make some mistake over there and accidentally if we will create some resources which is actually chargeable, then we will be in trouble. And we don't want this, right? So what we are doing right now, we are going to set up budget. Once you set up budget, what happens if you have created any chargeable resources, you will get immediate email from AWS. So it is always good practice to have your budget set so AWS can send you alert. Now one thing that I want to tell you guys, that whenever you are going to get alert, go to your AWS account and immediately delete your resources. AWS will send you alert. They are not going to delete your resources, right? Still, if you found any error, you can contact us anytime. So now let's set budget. We are going to set zero spending budget. So what happens if even we are going to get 1 rupee, they are going to send us alert, right? So first of all, I am going to log into my AWS console. I'm going to use same account that we have used or created in the previous video, right? So I'm going to say AWS console login, and here I'm going to open AWS management console. Now I'm going to click on login back. I already logged in, so it is not asking me for username and password. Otherwise, you need to enter your email ID and password. Now, here I am on my console account. I'm going to give you whole detail about console as well, but I want to set up budget first, right? This will be the highest priority for me. So we are going to set up budget. In the next video, we will talk about all this console options. Now, to set up the budget, you have to go to your account name over here, and then you need to go to the billing dashboard. Once you go to the billing dashboard, here you are going to get detail about your billing, okay? But first, we need to set up billing preference. So here I'm going to click on billing preference. See here I have alert preferences. Now I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to click on receive AWS pre-tier alerts. Now they added my email account automatically. If you are not getting your email address automatically over here, no need to worry. Enter your email and click update, right? This is the first step. If you are having free account, then they will send you alert on this email ID. Now, as a second point, we have to go to the budget over here. Once you go to the budget, here it is asking me to click on create a budget. Selected. Now use template. I'm going to select template, and here we have template, and look at this. This is zero spend budget. Now what will happen if I'm going to select this? Create a budget that notify you once your spending exit to 0.01 USD, which is above AWS pre-tier limit, right? So even if your account is going to charge, like if AWS is going to charge you more than $0.01, you are going to get alert. All you need to do is you have to check your emails, right? Do not ignore any emails from AWS. So I don't want to change name over here. I can enter multiple email. I'm going to enter my another email over here. Why? Because it is like, if I'm using 2 or 3 email, I'm going to use this as well. So I'm going to use bhavesh.atara this is my one email. Then I'm going to use this account as well.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.